Hello, folks. So today I will talk about Zegocloud and Agora SDK and which one is best for your video application. So let's deep dive into both the packages. Which one is best for you? So let me walk you through the Agora SDK. So let me show you what we can do with the Agora. Then we will move forward to the Zegocloud. So let's see. So for the Agora, what we can do, so means if you have an application, then you can easily uh, redirect user to the join, that user has joined the call or not. Means these are general things that we can show to our application. So means here we are in the Agora, we have two packages, RTC and RTM, which are which both we need to use to make a complete video call application. So for this you need this prerequisite, means you must have knowledge of TypeScript, Node.js, and basic coding knowledge. And here we are in the Agora, we generate the token with the RTC and RTM. And here we are using Agora package, and the framework whatever you use, means you can use Angular, React, whatever the framework is suitable for you. And this is the package for the Agora. Means in the Agora we use this Agora RTC package, Agora RTM package. One is for the audio video communication, and one is kind of a messaging system. So I mean it is a kind of signaling system. Means you will give signal to the other users. You are broadcasting the signal to the other users. So means if you don't know me, then just follow me on the Angular development page. Okay. And means what features we can implement with this Agora is uh, the image beautify, live streaming, screen share. So these are the core features that you can implement with this. Means the audio video is there, but you can also implement these features in your video application. And you can also implement these features like screenshot, cloud recording, chat recording, everything you can manage here. And this is the file structure, and this is a sample application that will look like. And means to test this app, what we can do, we can open these two tabs in the two tabs in these links, and from where we can, from one place we can join, and from another place we can join, and we can test the application. And these are the I will later talk about all those things. So let's see what we can do with the Agora. So let me show you some basic example. So if you want to test any kind of application, you can use this demo of Agora. So if you want to check the voice calling, you can just need to add the app ID and token and channel name and user ID. So all these things you will get from the console Agora. So I will add the link. So from there you can get all the information to run the app. So this is all about the Agora. If I give you another alternative, and which will provide you a UI kit, so that you need to write the less code. So here you need to write all those things. So here you need to think, do you do all those things like methods you need to create instance, channels, attributes, all those things. So means the UI kit basically helps you to easily mean that means the low code, means it is kind of low code. Means I will show you. So let me firstly walk you through the about the Zegocloud and what UI kit it will give, so that we need to write less code. So let's see how it works. So what is Zegocloud? So Zegocloud is a global communication service provider which provides developer friendly and powerful SDK APIs to build communication features like video call, all those things. So let me show you what I talk about this UI kit. So what this UI kit will do, let me show you. So this is the UI kit that Agora provides. Means you need to write the less code, and you can easily uh, get the things done easily. So let me talk about, means it also provides the SDK. Means you can also use SDK if you want, but here it is good if you can use this also. So let me show you the UI kit also first. So build faster and shape more with the build UI kit. So what you need to do, you need to just go to this website. the Zegocloud uikits website. And here what we can do, here you can pick the framework whatever you use, and means as you can see here, I add video call to your website with less than 10 lines of code. So you just need to get this thing. So let me show you is, if you want to test it, you can test it here by filling the information. And suppose you are creating a application, and here I mean, let me give you some demo here. So here is the demo. If you want to check the demo of how this UI kit will work, and I will walk you through means how you can generate the token on all those things. So here currently I have off the my camera and microphone, and you can use this demo also. So here what we done means, to run the any means Agora or Zegocloud application, firstly you need token and you need the ID. So all those things you can get from the console dashboard of each application. And this Zegocloud is provides it easily all those information to you. So these are the methods that we created here: generate token, random ID, URL params, and init. In the init we are using the Zego UI kit. As you can see here, this is the package that we are using here, Zego UI kit pre-built, which you can install using the npm, and you can just use it. These are the utilities that you need to use of the Zegocloud, and just simply hit it in it. So with the init you can easily start the application, and from here you can join the room. So multiple users can hit this URL and just join with the multiple tabs, and they will be joined in the single call. So all those things you can check. So here what is important is this token and ID that you will generate. So let me show you how you can get all these details: server URL and user ID. So let me show you how you can get these details. So means, as I told you the features, so it will develop all those customizable, easy to integrate live SDK, full featured video call applications you can develop from here. So if you are using the Zegocloud, what you will get? So with this Zegocloud, you will get the 10,000 free minutes, and you will redirect to the console dashboard. There you can check all the stats, means how much you are active or all those things. From the dashboard you can create projects, and after that you will get the app ID and app 7 secret. So where is that console dashboard? So here, so this is the link for the console dashboard. Let me show you how. Means you just need to go to this and just sign up here, and after sign up you will get the 10,000 you will get the 10,000 minutes that I told you after signing up here. So here if I show you here, so these are the various applications that I have created here. If you open any application, and means here, from here you can create a new project, and you can easily so here let me show you this calling apps. So here we have all those information available. So you can use this. So these are hidden, so if you can want to check, you can create and just check this, and you can configure there. And after that you will get this token server URL if you go to the dashboard, and user ID. And here means user ID is a app ID that you will get there from the dashboard. All these details are available from there. Then I have showed you, so this is the app ID kind of that you will get there, and this is a server URL that you can find out there. This is the some random IDs that I pulled out here. And so to get the information of any project, you can create and you can save the URL of that. So to create a simple web application, web video application, so what you need, you need knowledge of the HTML, CSS, or client side framework. Means any client side framework like Angular, React, whatever you use. And if you're developing for the mobile, then they are also providing multiple compatibility to the user. Like it provides for the user, you can use React Native, you can use Flutter, and for iOS we have different utilities, and for Android these things are available. So you can check out all those things here. Let me move to the tutorial also. This is the SDK approach, but I will recommend you to use the UI kit. It is simple to integrate, and you can easily integrate that. So, and in the Agora you need to do all those things that I mentioned, the steps like generate token, RTC token, all those things, and all these utilities you need to implement there. And now we have means this is, if you want to check the official documentation, this is official documentation, you can check here. And let me show you. So this is the Zegocloud official documentation, means whatever the package you want to implement, and whatever the approach you want to check, you can check it from here also. So this is the Zego Express example web. So for web application it is available. For Android you can check this uikit website. And means I have also developed it using the Angular. So if you want to check it in the demo in the Angular, you can check, go to this repo. Next, what we have, so these are the utility for the SDK. And let me mention something also here. So if you want to check the whole demo of web, so let me show you how you can check this thing. So this is a little demo of how, what your application looks like. So this is the application that you can develop with the Zegocloud. So what do you need for call kit? If you want to integrate one-to-one or group video call, consider speed or efficiency as the first priority, then call kit is best choice. So these are the features that we have, that this package provides, and these are the resources. Means you will get the enough resources to implement this functionality. Now let me show you some comparison also between these two packages, this Agora and uh, Zegocloud. So let me walk you through firstly Agora. So as I told you about the Agora, it is a real-time voice and video engagement for apps. And here these are the features that it provides. The general features like live streaming, screen recording, spatial audio. And here the advantage is this. And with the metric means it has inability to link the same user with the platform with the limited search functions. And I think this Agora is little more costly also, if you can check. uh, and in the Zegocloud, yeah, you can get the 10,000 free minutes and with low cost also. I will show you the pricing plan also. So let's talk about the Zegocloud now. So in the Zegocloud, what we can achieve. So Zegocloud for real-time interaction. It is a perfect solution to enhance your existing application capabilities and make them more interactive. So this API is for building video and voice chat apps. It is generally developer friendly UI kits, as I already showed the UI kit. So it is a low code tool, so you can easily develop the video call, and within up to 18 programming language it is supporting. That is very huge. And it just provides lots of, these are the core features that it provides, like AI noise reduction, ultra low latency, co-hosting, super resolution, cross platform support. So generally people face the problem of platforms. So it is supported in all the major OS platforms. So as you can try this thing also. So let me show you the pricing of this Zegocloud also. So here the pricing is available here on this website. Here we have all the pricing and plans. Means what, according to your requirement you can check this thing, like voice call, for video call, for live streaming. So these are different plans that it provides. So you can check all those things, and according to that you can use whatever it is good for you, whatever the package is good for you. And you can also take a demo of the Agora also if you need. And here is the Zegocloud demo. On the Stack Plus it is available, it is open source, so you can easily find out all the details. And if I talk about the other features, like it provides network analytics, which is very great, and text chat. You can do, you can create a chat room, and means you can interact by text also. And if you're creating live streaming, you can check this document also. And here it is an API guide which basically more help you to understand about the Zero Cloud. So here is the SDK, when to use SDK and when to use UI kits. So here you can find the difference, like it launch faster and easier, it has standard UI and features, less budget, startup trying, fund seeking, testing and POC. So all these things you can easily implement with the UI kit, and it will take less time. So this is all about the UI kit. Let me show you what is left now. Yeah, here what we have: video layouts, in-room messages, face beautification, call invitation, everything. You can create enterprise level application with this Zigo Cloud. So thanks guys for watching, and let me know your thoughts in the comments.